Hello, traders. Bonjour, hola. That's about it. How are you? Welcome to the live stream, guys. I am with you for the next 40 minutes or so. Yeah, let's do this. I'm going to show you a trade that I'm currently in. That is my other screen that you can hear. Should probably turn that down. Yeah, I'm going to show you a trade that I'm in, guys. I've only got in the one trade so far today, so we'll take a look at that and why I entered that trade. And remember, guys, all of my trades I put in the VIP Discord channel. We'll also, take as many of your questions as we can, guys. Yeah, we've got 40 minutes, but we will, endeavor to answer every question known to man. And also, guys, what else am I going to say? There's no news to look at. And that's it. I wanted to wish Renewable Nat, who is one of our subscribers, happy birthday. It's his birthday today. So happy birthday, Renewable Nat, if you're watching. If you're not, this was a waste of time. All right, guys, let's see who is in the house. So, guys, don't be shy. Come say hello. I don't bite, not unless I'm hungry. Vuker, hi Tom, how are you? Can you look at pound Swiss franc and euro Swiss franc? We can look at the Swiss franc pairs. I'm actually in a Swiss franc pair, not those ones. Hash, hey Tom, hope you're feeling better. New Zealand CAD, please. Okay, we'll take a look at that. And I am not feeling better. I am still full of cold, have a slight headache, and yes, I do want a little violin playing because man flu, as you know, guys, has claimed many people. Yes, Renewable Nat, there you go, mate. Happy days, Tom. Happy days. Happy birthday, Renewable Nat. Everyone, wish Renewable Nat a happy birthday. He is 19 today, he told me. Very old, Renewable Nat. I'm only 2 years older. I'm 21. Who would have thunk it? Liverpool logos, respect. We like Liverpool. Hope Searchlight, how are you? Calagero, hello traders, hi. Hope Searchlight is bang on the pound New Zealand, euro New Zealand trades. Jimbo, James, I assume. Hello all. Tony Oliver, hi. Liquid HI, John, hi. Get well soon. Thank you very much. Denny, how are you, mate? Brett, afternoon, Tom. Can you give a shout out of the Humpty levels? Yes, I did see that the other day. I will mention a Humpty level when I see it, if I've grasped the understanding of a Humpty level. How about oil? Liquid H, we'll take a look at that. Drew, what's up, Tom? Can you look at the NAS? Not the wrapper, the indice. Okay, GWS, Tom, get well soon. Sometimes Liquid H, it takes me a while to understand these abbreviations. I thought GM was pound against the Mexican peso for a little bit. Yes, I have mentioned that out loud. Colin, how are you, mate? Hash, Renewable Nat. Right, hello, everyone. Welcome. So let's start with, guys, what I will do, I'll try to answer everyone's questions, but if you are a member, your name will appear in green, and I will answer your questions first because you have, supported the channel and joined our membership. And if you would like to do that, guys, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. All right, we've got supporter and gold membership, and they've got loads of perks, guys, if you're interested in that. And then I will answer your questions first as well. So Liquid H, who is a member, would like to look at oil. All right, actually, before we look at oil, let me show you the trade I'm in, guys, because Vuker, you're also interested in Swiss franc pairs. Generally speaking, I want to buy Swiss franc weakness. Yeah, and Aussie dollar is one such example. And we pointed this out earlier on. You can see that we are clearly in an uptrend and we have retraced to a beautiful level. Yeah, look at this level. That is a thing of beauty. Yeah, and we've got the moving average 20. Okay, and we've had a super bullish candle. What's not to like? We was having this conversation literally about 30 minutes ago about an hour ago in the VIP Discord, guys. And we were like, there's not much not to like about this trade. I'm not sure if that was double negative and there's a lot to dislike. I'm not sure, but we like this trade for all of those reasons. Beautiful. So let's go through the reasons, guys. Okay. We're in an uptrend. We've got a nice retrace to an area of support horizontally and the moving average 20. And we're at an excellent area of value. And we've got a bullish candle form at that level. And we've got plenty of room to move into. Therefore, we have nice value. My God, there are lots of reasons to like this trade. Let's hope it goes well now after all of this. And we've just entered on this, guys. So if we look at the H4, you can see H4 structure had changed as well. Okay, so we was in a downtrend, yeah, and then kapow, in the words of Batman, came back, touched this level, yeah. Guys, if we only traded this strategy, yeah, what was once resistance becomes support. My God, we love that. Okay. And yeah, and then why did we enter? So we're with H4, obviously. We're getting bullish candles as well. But I actually waited for a break of the H1 because you could see that, you know, price action was a little scruffy in here. Yeah, a little scruffy. Yeah, we were getting top wicks, bottom wicks, a little bit scruffy. So as soon as we got a break with this candle here, yeah, we broke these last H1 highs, we actually entered here. Yeah, we started buying here. My stop is down here, okay? And my target is the alarm. You can see the alarm there, guys. My target is back up to this level here, okay? Simple as that, guys. And as I've said before, we put all of these trade ideas. When I say we, I mean me, but we also have other expert traders. But I put this trade idea in the VIP Discord. And it was actually an idea of one of our VIP subscribers as well. He liked this trade, Jimmy Noodles, shout out. So yeah, he also liked this trade. So we are in this trade and looking to take price up to here. If you would like my trade ideas, come join the VIP Discord. So that's Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Squig L3Z, welcome. We have a new supporter. Welcome. We have a new member. Thank you for showing your support. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Simply Forex. Forgot the name of my channel for a second. That's what a load of medication will do to you. I'm drinking Benylin or whatever it is, and I'm downing paracetamol like a madman. Right, so that's Aussie dollar Swiss franc. That's the trade we're in, guys. Let's take a look at oil. Liquid H, this one is for you. Weekly chart. Yeah, so weekly chart with oil, you know, it has had a real fall from grace. Yeah, it has come crashing down, and we are clearly in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay, if we drop down to the day chart, yeah, we've also, you know, we're also clearly in a downtrend, and I think we have a little bit more room to come down to this level here. You know, if not, definitely the last daily lows. Okay, this would be my first target. And just looking at structure, you know, we're clearly in a downtrend, and yeah, I would be looking for sells with oil. The only thing that slightly worries me here is the fact that price hasn't made it back to these highs, these lows, sorry, because price wants to do that. It wants to find this level and then react and come down. So that's the only thing that's concerning me, is that I haven't seen this candle come up and touch this level. So that does play on my mind, I won't lie. But let's get some more information, because it is a sell trade, but is now basically, is this candle enough to start selling? All right, let's get some more information. So let's go down to the H4, guys. Yeah. interesting. Yeah. So I wouldn't start selling. Well, it depends on this, guys. So if we look at the H4, yeah, you can clearly see there is a nice level through here. Yeah, there's this level here. So you can see price, it was resistance, and now it's become support. And we've sort of formed this level through here. I mean, we can even, let's just make it down to those lows. So for me, it becomes very important what happens in here. All right. Currently, we are seeing quite a bullish reaction. And if this H4 candle closes above these lows, yeah, we get a candle looks like this. And therefore, we haven't broken H4 structure. Yeah, and we get a candle like that. That would suggest we are coming up to that area that I suggested on the day chart. That's what that would tell me. So yeah, important candle coming up, guys. We've still got a couple of hours for the H4 to finish. So yeah, really important level. And look at the moving average 20 as well. This would be a nice area to buy on the H4. So yeah, not daily is telling us to sell, but this H4 chart is not at all. If we got a candle that looked like this and we had a big bearish red candle, then okay, then potentially that daily candle was enough and we can come lower. Okay, so really important level through here right now. If we look at the H1, what's that telling us? Yeah, even that hasn't broke. Yeah, it doesn't want to break this level. I would not be selling this right now. If anything, you know, I would be buying it. But, yeah, I can't buy it because, go back to the day chart, this entire chart is telling us to sell. Okay, but judging by that, I think potentially it could come back up. You know, maybe test this last high, even this low here. Yeah, but we shall see. But yeah, would not be looking to sell that. That is not a breakdown in structure. There is a little bit of arguably a head and shoulders pattern here, seeing that as well. But again, we need to break this level. And we're not. That level is holding. All right, so there you go. Liquid H, what were you thinking with oil? Was you looking to short it or buy it? It'd be interesting to know. Right, guys, what else have we got? Okay, so welcome, glad to support Tom. I worked move your okay. Okay, let's honor our new member, and they would like to look at pound Japanese yen. So Squidge L3Z, that popular name. Pound yen. Let's have a look at yen, pound yen. All the yen pairs I know are sort of had very bearish H4 candles. Are we about to see a retrace? Anyway, let's look at pound yen. So let's start with the weekly chart. All right. So on this weekly chart, guys, you can clearly see we are in an uptrend. Okay. But this high here still hasn't broke because this weekly candle hasn't finished forming. All right, so it'll be really interesting to see where this weekly candle finishes. If we get a bit of a wick like this that closes back into that level, then potentially shorts are on the cards. Yeah. If we get a candle as it is now and it finishes now, then buyers are on the card. It'll be very interesting to see how this weekly candle finishes. And that's pretty much what I'm waiting for with a lot of these yen pairs. If we drop down to the day chart now, you know, we're clearly in an uptrend, and we've clearly had a break of these highs. Yeah, you know, these highs. We're clearly in an uptrend. Okay. But as you know, guys, there's no value for me up here. Yeah, I'm not going to start buying up here. Yeah, that's not how I roll. If I am going to buy Japanese yen, which everything is telling us to do so. Yeah, nobody really wants to sell yen pairs, all right, at the moment. I would need to see a retrace. Okay, so I would need to see a retrace potentially back into here, and then we can start buying pound yen. But again, that heavily depends on how that weekly, go back to the weekly, because if we do get that retrace on the daily, this candle is going to look like that. So it really depends on a couple of factors, where this weekly candle finishes, okay? And, you know, if it does finish bullish and above this level, then I'm looking for a retrace into value, and then we can start buying pound yen. If that weekly chart closes below these highs, then I'm not interested in buys. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for pound yen. Not interested up here. If anything, if we look at the H4, you know, we can expect a retrace. Yeah, look at this large bearish H4 candle. This is telling us, you know, and if we looked on the H1, price would be breaking down. This is telling us that we can expect a retrace. All right, so let's see. And just to show you on the H1, I know it's broke down on the H1 because of that level. Yeah, if we go to the H1, yeah, you can see price has broken down. Not making higher highs, red flag. Price comes down, breaking these lows. Retrace, sell it. Okay. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that, but that's what I'm seeing with pound yen. So we can expect a bit of a retrace, and then we might get some value to buy pound yen. So our newest member, I hope that helps. Right, what else are we looking at? Renewable Nat. It is Renewable Nat's birthday. So how can we not do US dollar Japanese yen for the birthday? For the birthday boy. I think, yeah, I don't know. Half of your names, guys, I don't know if you're male or female. So to the birthday person. There we go. Politically correct on this show. Yeah, let's have a look at US dollar yen. And before I do, guys, if you are new to the channel and you would like you enjoy my analysis, then why not come join us? Yeah, I give you my trade ideas every day. And we'd love to have you. So please subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Let's see how many likes we can get while I drink some vodka to make my cold better. Okay, so US dollar Japanese yen. It is at very important resistance. Yeah, look at this level. Look where we're at. Okay, you know, yeah, I was going to mention the Bank of Japan intervening, but look, you shouldn't trade with that in your mind. Trade what you see on the chart. But if the Bank of Japan are going to pick a level, surely this is it. Okay, but that aside, yeah, a couple of weeks ago, we thought, right, sellers are going to start pushing this back down. Yeah, we're at a weekly level. Sellers are going to start pushing it back down. But then we get a candle like this. And then we think, okay, maybe it's not. So US dollar yen is basically, it doesn't know what to do with itself here. Yeah, for 2 weeks. If we look at the day chart, you can see that reflected in price. Yeah. Sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. Yeah. People don't know what to do with this US dollar yen in here. Okay. So to keep it quite simple, I need to move out of this gray zone. Yeah. Out of this box. I need to see a breakdown in, daily structure. Yeah, let's start seeing this. Then I'll be interested in selling US dollar Japanese yen. or we need to see a break of these highs and it comes out of this grey zone with a big green candle. I am not interested in all of this. It's a little bit untradeable for me. Yeah. You know, let's, you know, just look at this. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. One. Okay. We play it along one. Okay. You know, we start to see sellers. Yeah. Maybe some people see that as a structure break. People start selling. Yeah. Sellers get wiped out. Yeah. Now we see buyers. People think, oh, okay, buyers are in control. I'm going to start buying maybe here, one of these levels. Yeah. Then this happens. Yeah. That's probably wiped you out. Okay. Then we think, oh, sellers are back in control and we're at an important level. Let's start selling. Sellers get wiped out. Okay. And so on and so forth. And for those reasons, not interested in this. This is disgusting, horrible, awful, hideous, ugly price action. Okay, so we need a break either side, guys, one way or the other. Until then, not touching US dollar, Japanese yen. So there you go. Happy birthday, Renewable Nat. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Okay, so what do we want to look at? So we've looked at pound yen. Sorry, guys, I just have to take members' questions first, guys. So if you would like me to take your questions first, then why not come join us and become a member, guys? You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and then your name will appear in green, and I will answer your questions first. Okay. Right, what else are we looking at? So Chandu is also a member, would like to look at gold. Gold is a tricky little sausage, if I do say so myself. You're looking at that day chart, okay, because it's just the first chart that's appeared. I would want to sell that. Yeah, look at that. That's one of those textbook entries. Yeah, we've got uptrend, doesn't make higher high, get a break of structure to the downside, and then it tests the last higher low. Yeah, this is a beautiful level for selling if, you know, if we get a setup. Yeah, and look at that moving average 20 coming round. Yeah, I think that's a beautiful area for sells. Okay. Obviously, we need to see a bit of a bearish reaction. If we go to the weekly chart, though, it's difficult to sell. Yeah, because, you know, it's had such a large push up. We're just thinking, where will it retrace to? And it's already at the moving average 20, you know, which is potentially a nice area for buying. So with gold, I'm getting really mixed views. You want to buy that weekly, not necessarily this weekly candle, to be fair. Yeah, maybe price can make it down further, but it's this moving average 20 as well that throws doubt into the situation. And then if we look at the day chart, that is just at a wonderful level to start selling. So yeah, if I had to trade this, I would sell it from this level. Okay, so let's look at that on the H4. Yeah, this is that last daily low. I'm going to change this gray zone just because it's there. Okay, let's include a few lows. All right, so you can see this is that last daily low that I was speaking about, and price is at that level. You know, but look at H4. H4 is clearly in an uptrend, so I don't want to sell this level and I don't want to buy this level because it's resistance. So we're stuck with gold. For me, there's no trade. Let's look at H1. Again, uptrend. I would at least want to see a breakdown on the H1. And I've done a really interesting vid, if I do say so myself, in the VIP Discord, guys, about break of structure. It's very important. It's a big piece of confluence. So yeah, gold, too much conflict for me with gold at the moment. And guys, as I mentioned it, I mentioned the VIP Discord. Let me just mention a few things that we do. So we've got the free VIP Discord. It does, sorry, we don't have the free VIP Discord. Let me rephrase that. Let me start again. It's the medication that I'm on, honest, not the vodka. So first and foremost, guys, we have a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, there's loads of value in there. You've got traders sharing knowledge, ideas, you've got indicators, useful links, books, loads of cool things, guys. All right, so come join the free Discord. The link is in the live chat and the video description. Next, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. Okay, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. You also have access to the Trading Academy. And this is basically where I put all of my tutorials, everything I've learned over the years. I put it all in there. And also as things pop up in the markets, we're always learning. So there's loads of tutorials in the Trading Academy, guys. That's also in the VIP Discord. You have access to I cannot think of anything today. You also have access to a performance coach, all right, who also does the podcast. And we're test driving some strategies as well, guys. So there's so much value in the VIP Discord. Come join it. Check it out. It's in the live chat and the video description. Also, guys, just quickly, if you would like to be coached one-on-one and learn how to read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the live chat and the video description. And finally, guys, as I've been prattling on about, the people whose names are in green, I will take their questions first because they are Simply Forex YouTube members. Okay, so we will endeavor to answer your questions and you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, guys. The link is in the video description and the live chat, and we've got loads of perks for becoming a member. Right, enough of that. Let's take, so Hash I know is a VIP member. So Hash would like to look at New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Before we do, let's just take a quick look at our Aussie dollar Swiss franc trade. Okay, it's okay. We're getting a bit of a rejection there. Okay. So H1 still looking good. H4, we've still got an hour and a half before this candle finishes forming. So yeah, we'll keep an eye. But yeah, this is our target. If not, back up to here, guys. Anyway, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's start with the weekly because this is an interesting one to analyze. And Hash, this is probably why you asked this question. So if we look at the weekly chart, price, remember this candle hasn't finished forming, but it's looking likely that we're going to break out of this 12-year-old, I don't think it's 12 years old, but November 2023. It's almost a year old. This channel. And this channel has been holding. And I remember we've had some nice trades off this channel. It's like an old friend this channel has become. All right. But now, look, again, we was thinking this channel's holding last week, and potentially selling. Okay, but that CPI data has made the New Zealand dollar go mental. And that is a technical term in trading, And it'll be really interesting to see what this weekly candle does. Again, if it finishes like this, that is a break of a very important trend. It's also a break of these last highs here. This could be a big trend change and a change in direction for New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. But if we get a candle, we get a big wick rejection, we've still got a couple of days. This could quite easily happen. And it holds on to this channel and these last highs, then we're still looking for sells. Okay, so it's a big week for the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. If we drop down to the day chart, you know, we're clearly in an uptrend. Okay, there's no ifs and buts. Yeah, we are clearly in an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. But again, if we scroll across, it's a bit of a weekly level, but we are at a weekly resistance level. Okay, so again, it's tricky. Yeah, you know, I've mentioned this many times before. It's difficult when you are in a daily uptrend and you're hitting weekly resistance. Yeah, or if you're in a daily downtrend and you're hitting weekly support. It basically means I'm not going to have a trade with this pair for a reasonable amount of time, because I need to see, you know, arguably a break of daily structure here to think about selling, which is looking very unlikely, yeah, to happen for days, or I'm going to need a big push through this level and wait for a retrace. So when I'm at these levels, I just know I'm not going to have a trade for a while. Yeah, and I just sort of look at other pairs. You know, we've got 28 currency pairs, commodities, indices. You know, we've got enough things. Sugar. No, I'm only joking. I don't trade sugar. But, you know, we've got many other things that we can look at. So it's no problem. But imagine if you only traded 2 currency pairs. Then you'd have a real problem. Yeah, because you wouldn't be trading this for some time. Unless you're scalping on the 5-minute chart, then I'll shut up. You'll have millions of trades every day. Right, what else are we looking at? Let's look at some other questions, guys. Billionaires Club. I just like the name. Billionaires Club. One day we'll be there. So, Billionaires Club, let's have a look at euro against the Canadian dollar. Where are we? Let's do this one together, guys. We're going to do the old game where we play the would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market. Okay, so we're going to play this game together. Let me adjust this weekly level. Okay, let's do it. Let's play buy, sell, or stay out. Come on down. Oh dear, I have to amuse myself. I'm sick and I'm on, you know, and I'm yeah, I can't talk to you guys really. Anyway, so okay, renewable nat is male. Good. I'm glad we found that out. That was the burning question of today. So, euro Canadian dollar, weekly chart. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Let me know, guys. Okay, I will await your responses. So, renewable nat, the birthday boy, says stay out. Liquid H says stay out. Angus says stay out. Just random, wait, which basically means stay out. Hi, Ivan. Okay, stay out. Liverpool logos. Anyone else? IQ Robert. Robert, I hope you have a large IQ. I always say the same joke and it's not very funny, but there you go. Okay, so everyone's saying stay out, all right, of the weekly chart. White, Trevor Martins, stay out. Okay, so it makes sense, guys, yeah? We're at a very important resistance level, yeah, on the weekly chart. We have a lot of buying pressure. Yeah, there is a lot of buying pressure. CAD, Canadian dollar, has become weak. Why has it become weak? Because oil is plummeting. Yeah, oil is plummeting like Burnley are plummeting down the league in the Premier League. Sorry if we have any Burnley fans in. So we've got a lot of buying pressure, but it's going to find some selling pressure. Okay, so we don't want to be in that fight. Yeah, we don't want to be in this buying, selling fight. Yeah, you don't want to fight. If you're going to enter a buy, you don't want to see any sellers looking for a fight. Yeah, you want to see sellers walking out the way, going, there you go, buyers, help yourself, fill your boots. Okay, but this, we have conflict. There's going to be conflict here. Okay, so for that reason alone, we would stay out. Okay, let's go to the day chart. Okay, so day chart. Okay, let's get the bigger pictures. You can see the whole picture. Buy, sell, or stay out on the day chart. Buy, sell, or stay out Euro CAD. Okay, renewable nat, birthday boy, straight in, buy. Hamhead, buy. Very enthusiastic buy. Angus would buy. Othmain would buy. Nagia, wait and buy. Liquid H, buy. IQ Roberts, stay out. Squidge, I'm going to just say Squidge, easier. Buy. Could sell, just random. Okay, going against day trend. Arthur, wait for pullback. Chandu, stay out. Aya, stay out. So this is interesting, guys. Okay, so we have had a daily break of this important level. Okay, that is not in any doubt. In fact, let's even check another broker, because sometimes, yeah, let's have a look at Oanda. Yep, that's broke as well. Let's go back to my Euro CAD because I have all my zones. Okay, so interestingly, this is interesting, guys. Maybe it's not always interesting. When I mention charts down the pub, not so interesting to the lads, but this is interesting to us. That candle has clearly broken that high. Yeah, so we could say that is a break of that high. Well, not we could say, it is. On the day chart, it is. Okay. So let's just analyze the day chart first of all before I want to make this other point. So, okay, if we looked at the day chart, we've broken the last highs. We're clearly, excuse my lines, we're clearly in an uptrend. You know, we could potentially buy it. But even if I did want to buy it, I don't want to buy it up here. Yeah, there's no value. Yeah, so I would be looking for a retrace potentially. You can see there's a level through here or even here. You know, this area in here would be of interest. Okay, once it retraces to here, then I have value. Then I can start trading this pair on the day chart. Okay, so for me, it's stay out until we get a retrace. There's no value. All right, but if we look at the weekly chart, this is a weekly level. It's not really a daily level. This is a weekly level. Okay. So the fact that the daily candle broke this level, this last high here, is not, you know, we're not disputing that. It did. But I am not going to trade that break. I am going to wait to see if we get a weekly break. It's a weekly level, and I want to see a weekly break. So I cannot draw. I want to see perhaps a green candle on the weekly chart that looks a little bit like this. So it's a clear weekly break of a weekly high. Okay. If we don't get that, and we get if the candle finished like this right now, I would not look to buy this pair. You just can't. It's held on to this last area, this last high, this area of resistance. It's held on. Doesn't matter how bullish this candle is, this wick has closed back below that high. And for me, I cannot trade that because it could become a complete selling area. You know, it's a weekly level. We could have a week's worth of selling at this level. And I just don't want to push my luck there. So if we go back to the day chart, it's almost irrelevant what this does this week. Yeah, we've got a couple more days to see what happens. And so, yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, guys. And also, I just noticed this on the weekly chart. You know, even if we do break this level, yeah, we're immediately got this area of sellers here. So again, it would be difficult. Yeah, it's not a great trade for buying, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, if we got a sell opportunity here, that is far more appealing. Yeah, because we've got lots of room to move into before the next weekly level. Yeah, and we could be in this potential range. But what I would need to see on the day chart a breakdown. So again, you know, this trade idea of shorting euro Canadian dollar may take days to manifest. Yeah, perhaps we get buyers and sellers fight it out, and then bang. Yeah, we get a break of these lows, and then we start selling. I really can't draw today. It's the medication. And then, yeah, we look for sells. So that's what I'm seeing on euro Canadian dollar. It's really a weekly level. Let's see what that weekly candle does. And on that note, guys, we are going to call it a day, guys. If I could ask everyone, please, to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, I give you my analysis, my trade ideas every day. So come join us. Please subscribe to the channel. If everyone could please smash the like button as well, guys. We'd love to, yeah, we appreciate your support. It really helps the vid. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. And we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership, guys. All right, so check it all out. Thanks for your times today, guys. I really appreciate all your questions. Thanks for joining us. And I'll see you again tomorrow.